Tired of seeing those pesky monthly maintenance fees eat away at your hard-earned money with Chase Bank? Well, you're in the right place because we are going to break down proven methods to keep that money in your pocket in just 90 seconds. First, let's talk about minimum daily balance. For many Chase accounts, waiving the monthly fee is as simple as maintaining a specific minimum balance each day of the statement period. So check your account agreement for the exact amount. Next up, direct deposits are your friend. Setting up qualifying direct deposits each month, such as your paycheck or government benefits, can often automatically waive the fee. Look for accounts like Chase Total Checking, which often offer this perk. Another great way to avoid the fee, see if you qualify for a fee waiver based on the type of account you have. For instance, Chase Sapphire Checking is one option that waives monthly fees for existing Chase Premier Plus mortgage customers. Don't forget to explore if you qualify for a student or senior citizen waiver. Chase often provides fee waivers for eligible students and seniors, so make sure to inquire about these options when opening the respective accounts. Lastly, stay informed by regularly reviewing your account statements and Chase's website for any available fee waiver programs or promotions. By understanding your options and proactively managing your account, you can easily avoid those monthly maintenance fees and maximize your savings with Chase Bank.